Hey music lovers, welcome back to Keyscape Chronicles. We're excited to have you with us for another thrilling episode. Today, we're diving into the top 5 DAWs that are shaking up the music industry in 2024. Just a heads up, this list is based on my personal take, so your views might differ. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into this sonic adventure together. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this. If you're a music enthusiast, producer, or just someone who loves to create, you've probably heard the term DAW thrown around a lot. But what exactly is a DAW? Well, DAW stands for Digital Audio Workstation, and it's the software you'll need to record, edit, and produce your music. So without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 DAWs for music production that are popular among both beginners and seasoned pros. Coming in at number 5, we have Ableton Live. This DAW is a favorite for electronic music producers and live performers. One of its standout features is its session view, which allows for nonlinear composition and improvisation. You can easily arrange clips, experiment with different sounds, and trigger samples on the fly. Plus, Ableton has a fantastic collection of instruments and effects that are perfect for crafting unique sounds. Whether you're producing a track in the studio or performing live, Ableton Live is a powerful tool in your arsenal. At number 4, we have FL Studio. Known for its user-friendly interface and a robust piano roll, FL Studio is a popular choice for beginners and professionals alike. It's particularly favored by hip-hop and electronic music producers. The step sequencer makes it easy to create beats quickly, and the extensive library of plugins offers endless possibilities for sound design. Plus, it's a one-time purchase, which is great for those who don't want to deal with subscription fees. Next up at number 3 is Logic Pro X. This DAW is exclusive to macOS and offers a comprehensive suite of tools for music production. It's packed with high-quality virtual instruments, loops, and effects that make it a go-to for songwriters and producers. One of the highlights of Logic Pro X is its Smart Tempo feature, which allows you to easily work with different tempos and time signatures. Plus, the integrated MIDI capabilities are top-notch, making it easy to compose and arrange your music. Taking the number 2 spot is Pro Tools. Often referred to as the industry standard, Pro Tools is used in professional studios around the world. It excels in audio editing and mixing, making it the go-to choice for recording engineers. Pro Tools has a powerful set of features for tracking, editing, and mixing, and it supports high track counts and advanced automation features. If you're serious about music production and want to work in a professional environment, Pro Tools is definitely worth considering. And finally, at number 1, we have Cubase. This DAW has been around for decades and has a loyal following for a reason. It combines a powerful MIDI sequencer with professional audio recording capabilities. Cubase is known for its advanced MIDI editing features, making it a favorite among composers and songwriters. The automation and mixing tools are also top-notch, allowing for intricate control over your audio. Whether you're working on film scores, pop music, or anything in between, Cubase has you covered. So there you have it, folks, our top 5 DAWs for music production. Each of these options has its unique strengths, so it really comes down to your personal preference and the type of music you want to create. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which DAW you use or if we missed your favorite. Thanks for watching, and happy producing!